I have something new from PCBWay. Everybody now these games old fashion Russian technology. And I wanted make something special for Game Studio Functo and using with modern technology something with LEDs. And this is business card. And you can see solder mask is very precisely manufactured. Okay. Unfortunately, Game Studio sold this game and project discontinued, but I make simple test to show how LED backlight can work. Now is simple animation. I think this technology have future, and I hope next version with another game can be produced soon. Soldering is very big nightmare. And thank you PCBWay for sponsoring these boards. Thanks for watching.